everyone, it's Shauna Bontier with Royal LePage. Have you been searching for an executive home with one floor living? Well, this house just might be the answer for you. Beautifully constructed by OC Long and located in the exclusive Hunters Run neighborhood, there's so many features to see, so come on in and take a peek. This stunning kitchen was a custom design by Dernan's Custom Cabinets. Granite countertops, cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and lots of room for the chef and the family. Imagine an evening cocktail on this beautiful patio. This home sits on a beautifully landscaped property backing onto a private ravine. The master bedroom is located on the main floor and features an adorable Juliet balcony, a beautifully renovated ensuite, and a walk-in closet. Level has an open loft office, 2 further bedrooms, and a newly renovated bathroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour. As you can see, this house probably won't last too long, so please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.